Hello, everyone. My name is Garima. I am an identity transformation coach. I basically help you to achieve 10 times growth in your health, finances, career, and money and relationships in less than 3 months. Today's video is all about a Hawaiian practice called Ho'oponopono, and we'll discuss about how this practice works, how it changed my life, and how it can change your life as well. So stay tuned till the end and tell me in the comments below if you liked the video, and don't forget to follow and subscribe me. So Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice that was made popular by Dr. Hugh Len. He used this technique on a ward of mentally ill patients in a state hospital in Hawaii, and that's how this practice gained its popularity. So the patients he worked on were mentally ill. They were criminals who've done really bad things in life. And the beauty of this technique is that Dr. Hugh Len did not meet any of these patients individually. He did not talk to them. He did not have any kind of interaction with them. He just went through the files of each and every patient that he had to heal in the ward, and he just repeated these four phrases with intention, which are: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And the technique worked so beautifully that after some time, all the patients in the ward were healed, and they had to eventually shut the mental hospital. So, how it really worked for him was that he went through each and every patient's file, and after going through the patient's file, he just kept that patient's story in his intention, and he kept repeating the four magical phrases: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, did he say sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you on behalf of the patients? No, he didn't. He just focused on cleaning his own energy. Whatever he felt after going through the patient's report, any feeling that he felt, he was basically getting rid of that. He was cleaning that rather. And that is how he could heal all of these patients. Now, does the practice of Ho'oponopono really work? Yes, it does. I can say this through my own personal experience that Ho'oponopono has always worked for me in all four areas of life: in my health, in my career, in my relationships, and also with my money. It's a tried and tested formula. Sometimes we don't live the life we actually want to live is because certain emotions keep us stuck. For instance, when it comes to money, if you feel that you don't have enough money, you're generally going through the emotion of lack, which you need to heal. That's where Ho'oponopono comes into play, because it helps you to release any negative feelings that you have related to money. And once those money blocks are released, that's when you see things actually start to change. Even in health, when I go through pain anywhere in my body, now a lot of people feel that pain happens because of any kind of injury or maybe stress. But a lot of people don't know that our unresolved emotions, our suppressed emotions, they manifest in our body in the form of diseases and pains. And once you start healing those emotions, you will see that those aches and pains also go away magically. In relationships, suppose you have a problem with your boss or with your partner or with someone in your family. Ho'oponopono works magically for relationships as well. In my relationships, Ho'oponopono has helped me magically, where I've not spoken to a few people for perhaps months, but just by chanting Ho'oponopono prayer, people have magically come back in my life, and they continue to be a part of my life even now. The most important rule for using the technique and for chanting the Ho'oponopono prayer is that you don't use the technique for other people. You use it to clean your own energy. You need to work on the emotion that you want to heal. For example, if you are feeling desperate for money, you need to work on the emotion of desperation. So when you chant the Ho'oponopono prayer, in your intention, you need to feel that you are healing the emotion of desperation, and then chant the Ho'oponopono prayer. The reason why this prayer works magically is because when you chant this prayer, at a subconscious level, you are saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, each phrase has a word: sorry, forgive, thank you, I love you. These words carry the highest frequency. And when you keep chanting these phrases with these words at a subconscious level, you are healing any negativity you have for a person, for money, for basically anything in your life that you want to heal. And that is why this works beautifully and it works almost like magic. I have had 100% success rate with the Ho'oponopono prayer, and I highly recommend everyone to use it. The only reason this prayer might not work is if you are completely attached to the outcome and you are desperate for it. That is when this prayer will not work at all. You need to completely let go of the outcome and completely detach yourself with the outcome in order for this prayer to work. As a coach, I know that the basic Ho'oponopono technique is just not enough. What I practice with my clients is the advanced Ho'oponopono technique, which is actually the advanced level of the basic Ho'oponopono technique, which really targets the root cause of any emotional problem and it aims at healing it. Through this, my clients have seen many magical results. They've seen a lot of physical problems going away. 100% they have seen great results with their emotional problems as well. And they've seen things just magically change in their life where they attract things more naturally just by cleaning their energy, by just removing all the negativity at a subconscious level. So, if you are interested in working with me, I have shared my WhatsApp number below, and the Ho'oponopono prayer works for anything and everything. Success always depends on the belief and the faith you have on the prayer, and if you're able to completely detach yourself with the outcome and do it with pure intention. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts related to Ho'oponopono, please drop it in the comments below and I will reply to them.